How to redeem points and reward on Chick Fil app. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can redeem points and rewards on Chick Fil app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. There are two different ways of doing that. You can open your app, you can log in into your account, and at the bottom of your screen the second option, as you can see, is rewards. Okay, the second option to do that, as I showed you, is hold your app and now going to show my rewards. So this is gonna automatically open your app into the rewards section. So you must sign in or create an account in order to continue. By now, because my account is new, I'm not gonna be able to show you a reward routine by me. But once you have done that, at the top of your screen, you're gonna find different options. By default, this is gonna be opened in my rewards, but as you can see, there I have redeem, my status, and news and upload. So you must to go and make click on redeem, and there you're gonna find the different points that you have available to redeem. Okay, remember you can get points buying here in Chick Fil app. So if you have enough points, you can just redeem your points for different articles, or perhaps there are different like promotions or rewards that you're gonna find in this section. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.